Today we will be grooming this beautiful long-haired calico cat named Wednesday. She's a little shy, but definitely curious. First, I cut her daggers off. I'm going to wash her in our degreaser shampoo 2 times, then our Filthy Beast shampoo. She's liking this. What a good kitty. I use my kitty harness to secure her and put some cotton in her ears to reduce the noise of the dryer. Then I use the dryer on medium and see how she takes it. She's a champ at this. When making your YouTube video, make sure to press record, as I didn't and we missed out on Wednesday's luxurious brush out. She's all ready to go and getting out of here. Thanks for watching. See you next time on the Daily Groom.